My name is Kofo Oyeleye, and I'm the Programme Manager for Entrepreneurship Community here at the Royal Academy of Engineering. Our mission at the community is to foster a better engaged community that collaborates and continues to see value in the offering of the Academy. Before Hivebrite, our community management was spread across several platforms. We had WhatsApp, we had the newsletter, we had emails. So it saw us duplicating effort and not achieving as much as we would achieve if everything were more centralized. We chose Hivebrite because Hivebrite offers everything that we're looking for. It gives us the opportunity to centralize our communication, network and connect our alumni. It fosters peer collaboration, which is part of what we're really seeking to do. And it also keeps our alumni connected with us, seeing the offerings that we have, and also continually seeing value in the Academy. The biggest difference that Hivebrite has made is centralizing all our efforts. So it's more effective communicating with the community. We're able to push out the workshops, the events, and all the community engagement activities that we have in a more central manner, and we get higher responses. And it's also fostered a higher level of peer collaboration because there's the opportunity for people to showcase their innovation. So people are able to see people they can partner with, they can learn from, they can connect with in some way or the other. My proudest moment since we began using Hivebrite has been when we moved our community grants to the Innovators platform. Our Hivebrite platform is called Innovators. At the Academy here, we have a community grant for our alumni where we give them funding to run community engaging activities. And for the most recent one, we hosted the call on the platform, which saw an increase in engagement on the platform. We saw an increase in reactivation of profiles, and because we had made a lot of progress from when we first launched up until that point, people were able to then see the events and all the offerings that we had on the platform and how things had changed. So it saw an increase in our numbers, and people began better benefiting from all the offerings that we had for them on there. I would definitely recommend Hivebrite to any community manager out there because it makes your work easier. It gives you the freedom to customize, to connect and coordinate your alumni, your community, in effect, in a way where you have better control over what they see. You can choose to make it public, you can choose to make it private. It just gives you the freedom to coordinate your community in the best way that you want, and it also gives you the ability to ensure that you're maximizing the value that you offer your alumni.